Is it videotaping?
Yeah.
Hi, this is Marina Hogan, here with the Hogan News. And today we have Eva Hogan and Layla Lamblin practicing their hula hooping. And we're going to see them go, as they call it, super fast.
And
okay.
super slow.
And super slow. So here they are.
Super slow.
Alright, Eva, go.
What should I do? Super slow.
Super fast.
That was super slow.
That.
Hold on,
Okay.
I need to do instant replay. Ready? Instant replay. Okay, super fast. Ready?
Yep. Alright, Layla, your turn.
So, super slow. Oh. And super fast.
Wait! Skip it.
Here. And now we have a new thing they would like to share with us, which is called a skip it.
Hold on. Okay.
I'm doing it. Okay. Oh no.
Alright, that's all the time we have today, folks. I'm Marina Hogan here at the Hogan News.